What's up, everybody? Today's little impromptu video, we are doing the golf courses and the new area actually I went through today. So south of Bradford, south of the Turnpike, I'll lay out the areas for you so you'll be able to know where you're at. But we're doing the golf courses, the new golf courses that are going to be in that area, where they're going to be at, and what kind of golf course they're going to be. You can see by the map here, we're going to go right along the bottom half of Monarch Grove. And that is the village that you see on the left-hand side of your screen, right behind the map. We're going to go east down that whole path there. And then we're going to go around the not around the turnpike. We're going to go right beside the turnpike. We're going to do a little bit of a spin so you can actually see the golf course area. I'm going to explain the area to you, tell you what exactly which golf course is going to be where, and I'm going to actually let you know how many holes, what's significant about that golf course, and things like that, so you'll be able to actually understand a little bit more about these courses. There's actually 3 of them in this area all together. We're going to be visiting another one in just a few days right off of Marsh Bend. Let's take a look around here. So this area here is actually where the 2 new golf courses are going to be. You have one that is going to be 18 holes, and then you have another one that's going to be 27 holes. On top of that, you're going to have a pitch and putt along with a putting course just above these. Now this is on Bexley Trail. Bexley Trail is going to cross the Florida Turnpike. They're going to build a bridge, and that bridge is actually going to be for vehicle and golf cart path. It's going to be the first one that they build like that. So if you take a look at this map here, this map's not to scale, by the way. I just pulled this up myself and put it together based off of what the Villages has put out there. But you can see the 2 golf courses, and if you look right now, we're looking straight west. So this would be where the 2 courses are going to be. As we turn around here, we are going to go and look across the turnpike. You're going to see Sawgrass Grove. Sawgrass Grove is a little bit different. So Sawgrass Grove is where Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course is going to be, and that course is going to be 18 holes. It's significant because that course has 3 par 3s, 3 par 4s, and 3 par 5s on the front 9 and the back 9. And according to them, it's also the only place in the Villages where you will be able to travel the whole golf course without going over a main road or a road at all. So as we come east here along, I guess we're going southeast along the turnpike, you're going to see where the Sawgrass Championship Golf is, and then I'm going to highlight the area for you. This is about where it's going to go, and then you're going to also see, like, that's where the bridge across the turnpike is also going to be. So like I said, that bridge is going to have cars and golf carts will be able to travel that bridge, and that golf course is significant just because of what they're offering. Hopefully you got something good out of this video. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you for watching. This week we are gonna also go do a couple other videos of the golf courses in this area off of Marsh Bend, and we will be doing several other videos, including one of the Fenny area with all of those neighborhoods, marking those out, and then the new one down south of 470.